It is a Chipotle barbecue chicken breast Cobb salad with avocado ranch dressing. So for the barbecue sauce, this one is going to be really smoky and spicy because I'm using Chipotle and adobo. So to an onion and some garlic, I'm going to add approximately 3 tablespoons of Chipotle and adobo paste. We're going to add about 3 tablespoons of light brown sugar. And we're going to add about 3 tablespoons or 3 fat splashes of cider vinegar to be the acid in our sauce. 1, 2, 3. 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire. And then we're going to add about a tablespoon of soy sauce, or this is smoked shoyu. It's smoked soy sauce. And then 1 small can of tomato sauce, about 8 ounces of tomato sauce. And then you just mix all this together, add a little salt and pepper to taste, and let this cook down until it thickens up. So I've got my chicken breast drizzled with oil, a little olive oil or safflower or canola oil, salt and pepper. Put the seasoned side down, and then you can season up the flip side. I'm gonna let this cook up, and when we come back, we'll make the green dressing. So now we're going to make a Green Goddess avocado ranch dressing. So I just put about a cup of buttermilk into my blender. For the acid, I'm using lime juice. You can also use vinegar if you prefer. A good shot of green hot sauce. We're gonna put in an avocado. And I just cut it in half and just give it a good squish right down in there. Every good Green Goddess dressing has green onions and a couple of fat cloves of garlic. So we're gonna throw in some scallion and our garlic. Of course, we need salt and pepper for our salad dressing. And when I make ranch, I use a combination of chives, dill, and parsley, or parsley combined with cilantro, or cilantro instead of parsley. That's really it, but I like a nice little drizzle of olive oil too, just for flavor. Some good EVOO. And we'll throw the lid on that and give it a whirl. We know that Cobb salad has chicken, we know that Cobb salad has bacon, and we know that Cobb salad has blue cheese. Up in my neck of the woods, literally in the Adirondacks, is a place called Oscar's Smokehouse. They make smoked blue cheese, and that's what I use on this salad. We're gonna take a quick break. When we come back, we'll build our salad. So I took our greens, a mix of chopped crunchy iceberg lettuce and romaine hearts, dressed them with tons of our dressing, reserved a little to garnish the salad with as well. Just for people who want extra dressing at the table. I've got the crumbled smoked blue cheese I told you about. You can put any veggies you like on this. I've got some radishes here, charred vegetables. So then we're gonna do some red onion, radishes, so you get a little attitude, grilled corn, I like you. Now, I think we need to get our tomatoes in there. And what do tomatoes love? Like a BLT, they love bacon. Yeah. All right. Now we're gonna blue cheese everybody. Then we're going to take all that chicken that we barbecue sauced at the end there and put that down the middle.